Hi internet friends, let's get the wind in our hair today, with our review of the major updates for the Kawasaki Ninja H2SX and the SE for 2022. Following extensive 2022 modifications, the Kawasaki Ninja H2SX and H2SX SE became the peak of the sports touring motorbike market. Kawasaki has given its flagship sports touring motorbike some significant improvements ahead of 2022, with the H2SX and H2SX SE both receiving big updates for this year. Already one of the most technologically advanced motorcycles in the world, owing largely to its incredibly complex supercharged engine, the H2SX enters uncharted territory as the market's first proper sports tourer to gain radar-driven advanced rider assistance systems, ARAS, forward collision warning, FCW, adaptive cruise control, ACC, and blind spot detection, BSD. In addition, for the first time in the model's history, Kawasaki's flagship sports tourer, the H2SX SE, receives Showa electronically damped suspension as well as skyhook technology. The inclusion of radar sensors on the bike that house the ARAS technology is the big news for both models in 2022. Bosch created the hardware and software, which includes adaptive cruise control, front collision aid, and blind spot detection. Both models also come with a comprehensive set of electronics, including full Kawasaki advanced braking control, traction control, engine braking control, hill hold aid, and power modes. The engine in all models has also been improved for this year, with a new exhaust system and muffler design smoothing out the mid-range and low-end torque. Internal engine noise has been decreased as well, thanks to the addition of a silencer within the intake. Rider and passenger comfort has also been enhanced, with both perches receiving somewhat wider and more comfortable cushions. A USB port placed in the cockpit is also supplied. The bike's front-end appearance has also been altered, mostly to accommodate the radar equipment, however it appears sleeker and more modern in person. The dual-tier headlamp has been replaced by a more rounded and aesthetically pleasing single light. The shroud covering the radar sensor is slightly visible below this. Ninja H2SX 2022 also includes Kawasaki's Intelligent Proximity Activation Start System, or KaiPass for short. It's a master key system that enables remote activation of the primary switch and steering lock on the bike. Finally, in the shape of Kawasaki's 6.5-inch full-color screen, both variants of the bike acquire the best TFT on two wheels. This year, the new SE edition of the H2SX receives its own improvements, with Brembo-style calipers joining modern Showa skyhook electronically damped suspension. The system enables Bluetooth capabilities via the Kawasaki Spin app, which means turn-by-turn navigation, call answering, and music, with a compatible Bluetooth headset, are all possible. The SE also includes the Showa suspension system with skyhook technology, which means the bike's chassis responds to real-time road conditions. Kawasaki engineers tweaked the system to guarantee that none of the bike's racing qualities are lost while boosting the comfort of an already comfortable machine. There you go biker friends, if you liked our video and chinwag about the Kawasaki Ninja H2SX and SE, don't forget to give us the thumbs up. From me until tomorrow, it's Tara for now.